meter. By using this we can test any toroidal type coils, number of turns, and inductance, capacitance, resistance, and also we can measure dissipation factor, quality factor by using this meter. And one more thing, it has controlled with software. By using this we can test, we can create a program with controlling software, and where it has a RS232 interface cable, where we can connect RS232 port, this cable, to computer COM port. Okay, this is a CD of Turns LCRTZ S8 software CD setup, where we can insert in this PC, and for installing this is a DVD drive. This is a LCRTZ control setup CD, where we can, here this is a software icon, you have to install this one. Click on next, and you have to give a organizer name, like that's your name. Next, this is install in that LCRTZ control, install in C program files. You can change by using this, and now we are installing in C files, C programming files. Next, the destination folder, like this, install. It may take few seconds. Then you can finish. It's automatically launch in your computer, and the icon also shows in your desktop. This is the Turns LCR icon. You can open this one, and this is totally was digital Turns LCRTZ meter version 2.5 software. And this is a LCRTZ control, and this is a diag files. For testing Kaplan, switch on the instrument. This is a cap plug for testing capacitance, frequency. Test on the actual value of this cap plug, (100.97 nanofarad). For testing that one, for testing that cap plug voltage and frequency, these are the tested cap plug test files. You can open this one and load that for testing. Then start the test. It shows this is only for testing of cap plug and the end test. After, if you want to print this result, you can like this, and the end test. Again, want to test C100 nano voltage test, you can open that one. And again test it. Some measurement value. It shows pass. And if you want to create for this coil particularly, for this toroidal type coil, it has a 200 turns toroidal coil. Now I am connecting like this, and by using this coil I would like to test with LCR software. Please, you can see create new, you can give it, this is the password. Test report database file, and we are connecting toroidal type, so we have to select Toroidal Turns Test Platform. Next to OK. This is a test parameter for giving a test parameter of particular coil programming, where we can use test. Now I am selecting inductance of that coil. You can function select L. This coil at 1 kHz, and this is a value, actual value of toroidal coil. That sample 2.212, and give a percentage 5%, 5. Test voltage 750. Okay, and next, and capacitor, you can select the function. There are a number of parameters are there like this. You can select, see, and it has a microfarad, so you can select microfarad at 1 kHz parallel mode series, and this is value, actual value 11.311, and give a 5% or 10%, that is depends on your requirement of that coil. And RAC, now I am selecting RAC function, also I am selecting RAC series, and units ohms, I am selecting ohms. So the value of that RAC 1.4186. I give a 5%. I am giving all 5%. And now I am selecting again RDC of that particular coil, RDC, and it is also units ohms, and 0.4400 ohms. Lower limit percentage 5, upper limit percentage 5%. Can select OK, and next, and now I am selecting impedance Z. You can select here ohms at 1 kHz, and give a that value 13.994, 5%. And Now I'm selecting turns, number of turns TR at 1 kHz. This toroidal coil has 200 turns, and I'm giving just 5%, just lower limit 199 and 201, like that. These are the parameters for creating a program, and this is the next. And if you want to reload, you can reload the column. Okay, if you want to delete. Okay, then after creating program these all respective files, then click on end. And if you want to save that file, go to test data and save as, and give a password, that is our VASAVI. Then click on I would like to save in test files for future reference. 200 test sample, like that. You can give any. If you want to test that same file, you can simply load that file and on test. It's a establishing control for testing. Now we can click on start test. These are the parameters of that coil, that resulted parameters. These are the test names: LC, RAC, R resistance, AC resistance, RDC, DC resistance, impedance, turns. These are the measure values of that coil, and this is a lower limit and this upper limit, like this. You can see, observe, this is that coil has 200 turns and it shows like that. I am taking lower limit 199 and upper limit 201 max. These are the main resulted parameters. It shows past results. You can test, you can connect a similar type coils and test by using this single program. Sorry.